Yo, what is up everybody, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can request money on Cash App. So it's pretty simple to request money on Cash App since this app was developed to receive and send money to somebody. So requesting money means receiving money in a way. So yeah, you guys can request money to your friend in an easy way. But before that, I want you guys to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's dive right into the video, shall we? So once you open Cash App, this is going to be the interface. So if you want to pay somebody, you can click on pay, but if you want to request somebody money, you want to click on request. But before clicking on request, you want to enter the amount you want to request from somebody over here. So let's say I want to request $13 from somebody. I can enter $13 over here and click on request. And once I click on request, it's going to take me over here saying $13, which is going to be requested from me. And over here, I can enter the name of the person to whom I want to request this money. All right. I can enter their name or their cash apps, cash tag or SMS or email, and add a note if I want to. So I need to enter their name, cash tag or SMS or email, and then click on request. And then $13 are going to be requested from that person whose name I write over here. And if they want to send me that, they can just send me through that. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can request money on Cash App. And yeah, you can not just request money. If you click on this button, you can even request Bitcoin if you want to. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then do hit that like and subscribe button to our channel with notification on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.